Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So my customer brought this wig. You can see how it's looking like. So this is the how it's looking now. That is the after, before and after of the hair. So let's go straight to the video, and I can't wait to share it with you guys. So this is the hair. You can see the hair. So what we are going to be needing in this video is our pin and the ventilating pin, then our Swiss lace. So yeah, I'm going to be pinning the head, and you can see how the hair is looking so messy. So I'm going to be pinning the head, and you can see how it's looking like. So I just have to just cut this one away. I need to cut it away because there's no way I'll join it. The net is already weak, so there's no way I can join it again. So I just have to just throw it out. You can see the pieces, so I throw it out, then I start to pin it down. So using your office pin or any pin, you have to use it to secure the net. So after pinning it very well, you can see the hair is having a lot of, like, I need to refill the air. I need to fix the closure. The closure is a 5x5 closure, so you just have to pin it. So this is my ventilating pin, and I'll be using wood. I'm not using a transparent one. So this is the one I'm using, and it actually comes out nice. So guys, this is the, it's having two places. So this place I just have to cut my Swiss. That's why if you have a Swiss that you use maybe in the front of the wig, don't throw it away. So this is, I just cut a little part out of it. You can see, then you lay it down, make the line visible. So you're going to be folding um the thread into two. One will be long and one will be short. So you now place your ventilating pin on the net. The ventilating pin will be picking both the new net and the old net, you understand. So once you pick it out, so I made a mistake here. So when you are doing yours, you can just use pin to secure it. So I later use pin. So that's what I want to tell you guys here. So once you can see how I'm doing it, just as if you are ventilating. When you are ventilating, you pick it. So that's just the method you make use of. Because in my former video I make use of a thread, like a needle and thread, to do that. But this is a simple ways that you can actually use instead of using pin, because some pin are just too big for the net. So you can see I'm already using my pin to secure the net to make it look more firm on the net. So this is the process you are going to be following while fixing the hair. So guys, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. That's the only way you can help this channel out. Thank you guys. So let's go straight to what I'm saying. So once you are here, make sure you are just leaving a little bit of gap. Don't give it too much space, and make sure the ventilating pin is touching the lower net and the upper net. So when you get here, you try to tie it not too much, you understand. So this is literally what you are going to be doing till you get to one corner, then you turn again. So watch this video, and I'm coming back in anywhere I feel that I need to come back. So guys, we are literally done with it, and this is the look. Is I'll be You can see I turn the net to the other side. You can see this is where you are going to ventilate on when you are refilling the air. So that is it on this. So let's go straight to the other side. That's the main part that I want you to just pay attention. It's still the same method. You can see the net that I'm using. So you are just going to repeat same method you use. You're going to use your pin to pin it down. So once you pin it down, then you secure it, then you bring out your, make sure you put it's very secure while doing it. So that is just it on the pin aspect. So guys, if you stay around um Lagos, Abeokuta, Sango, Ogun State, anywhere in Nigeria, you can contact me for my service. I do this perfectly. So I'll be dropping my WhatsApp number on the description box, so you can just chat me up if you want to fix your hair. So that is it on that. So we are just repeating another method. And guys, don't forget to follow me on Instagram. I'm Kenny Debbie, and on Facebook I'm Kenny Debbie Hair. So don't forget to follow your girl. Thank you. And give this video a thumbs up if you are enjoying this video, if you learn one or two things. So this is me just using my thread and my ventilating pin to ventilate the air. So make sure while you are using your ventilating pin, make sure you are hooking the um make sure you are hooking the first net, I mean the one that comes with the air, the first net with the new one. So it's just as if you are sewing it together. So you are just going to be doing it as if you are ventilating. So that's just the method you are going to be using while doing this. And be very very careful. Don't give too much space. Don't give too much space. Don't be in a hurry, because I have to fast forward this video. I want it to be short and not to be long. If I should show you the normal process I did, you'll be seeing how gentle I was to just make sure the net does not break. So this is how the air is looking like. You can see how it's looking like. So you can see the air is totally like, I supposed to make another new one for her, but because of money issues, I just have to just. So this is it. This is the air you can see. So I bring a bundle out of the wave one from the back. So I'm just going to be cutting the tips. I know most of us that are watching this video, you should know how to ventilate. So you are just going to be removing the small part, and this is the air. You can see the air. If you don't know how to ventilate, you can watch some of my videos. I've talked about ventilation, and if you want me to talk more on ventilation, maybe do a video. So, and this method, this air, I'm going to be using a double split method. I use a double split method for this air to refill the air, because I realize they use double split for this air. So I just use the method to refill the air. So guys, watch to the end and you see the final look. The final look was wow, it was so amazing. So guys, keep watching. Don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you. Subscribe if you are a new subscriber. You're welcome to my channel. I love you. Welcome to the family. I love you. I love you. So watch to the end and
So
I will
guys, you can
see you.
see.
So before I go, this is how the air is looking like after I've even refilled some parts. You can see I've refilled the back area. So it's now remain this one. So this is the final look of the, you can see. So I just have to revamp the air. I revamped the, and I give the air a coil. You can see we're using my bedding rollers. I give it a cup, and this is how the air is looking like. So after you are done with it, you can decide to use your foundation on it, or you just leave it like that. The customer will do it, or you tint the air. So after giving it a cut, this is the final look of the hair. So I just give it a little bit of C cut, then I style the hair. You can see. So this is how the hair is looking like. You can see how it's popping. And this is it what I try to just try it on and send it to my client, and my client will be so happy to have a way back. See the needle, our thread, not the thread are showing, because I make sure I refill the hair very well and perfectly. So guys, if you have learned one or two things in this video, thanks for following. if you watch this moment, you are the boss. I love you. See you in my next video. Bye.